Hello everyone and welcome back to the Lancaster Volkswagen YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you around this little Volkswagen Polo SE Tech Edition. It is finished in the flash red signature solid paint. So it really stands out. You got your 15-inch Sassari alloy wheels on this one. Rear LED tail lamps. As this is an approved used Volkswagen, you'll also get your 2-year warranty and 2 years roadside assistance should you need it. All of our cars go through a full 142-point check and we'll fix anything that needs doing to the car. You also get 2 years of free MOT cover. So I'll show you the inside and I'll tell you a few more benefits about getting an approved used Volkswagen. And tell you a few more things about the car. So you've got air conditioning in this car too. Really nice to have. This is the 1 litre 5-speed petrol. You've got a normal handbrake. It's leather trimmed. This car's done 48,367 miles. You've got your 8-inch touchscreen in the middle. You can also use your Apple CarPlay so you can have your navigation off your phone, your music, everything like that. Radio is also DAB, so you have all your favourite radio stations on there. Again, you can connect your Bluetooth or CD if you'd like. There's a CD player in the glove box if you're old school like that. It's always nice to have the option. Above here, it's in loads of the Polos, you have a little sunglasses holder, useful. The back. So this has got 3 seats in the back, so it's a 5-seater car. Good for a small car. The ups have 4 seats, but maybe you want a slightly bigger car. They're getting a similar size to the Golf nowadays. Show you the dash. You can see it's quite modern, the semi-digital dials, and you can see the way it's lit up. So it's a sort of a 2D look, really easy to read. Also quite sporty with the red needles on there. Leather trim steering wheel as well. As this is the SE Tech Edition, you do also get your cruise control as well. So that's always a useful thing to have, especially when you're having a long journey or on the motorways. Really nice little car. I'll show you the outside and I'll tell you a few more benefits about an approved used Volkswagen. So if you decide to buy this car on PCP, we'll also give you 2 years of free servicing. So that's an extra peace of mind there. We check everything from seatbelts to tyres to the engine, everything under our 142-point check. So we know that the car's in full working order for you and perfect condition. If you do notice anything, any wear and tear that's not typical of the age or mileage of the car, just let us know and we'll get it sorted for you. But as you can see, this car is pretty mint condition. It's an 18 plate 2018. Really nice little car, perfect town runabout and quite refined on the motorways as well. So that is our Volkswagen Polo SE Tech Edition here at Lancaster Volkswagen. If you do have any questions about this car or any other of our cars for that matter, please do not hesitate to contact us and we'll be very happy to help you. We offer flexible financial services as well as offering part exchange. Thanks for watching and we hope to see you soon.